This thing goes with us everywhere. Let me tell you about it. The Anker Solix F1500. I won't bore you with the technical details, but I'll probably put them up on the screen or in the description or something. You've probably seen this thing in some of our videos, and that's because it's amazing and goes with us everywhere. It not only charges our drone batteries, camera batteries, and our phones, it also powers our camp lighting and our diesel heater. It even powers our electric kettle. This thing gets a lot of use and will easily handle a 2-day trip. On our main trip, we did plug the Anker into the outlet at the campsite in Mount Desert Campground and plugged everything into the Anker. So it has pass-through charging, which might not sound like a big deal, but you'll be surprised how handy it is. This allowed us to have everything running and charge the power station at the same time. It takes solar, but so far we haven't used this feature. Maybe eventually we'll pick up some panels or something. But after 3 years, we can confidently recommend this for your home backup power, glamping, or overland adventures. We even have an affiliate link, so if you're in the market for a power station, click that link and pick one of these up. Thank you for watching.